Right now, the biggest concern for first responders and officials here in Jamaica of nearly 3 million residents is communications and power, and then the roadways. When these wind fields destroy the vegetation, rip across roofs, take down structures and power lines, it may be impossible to traverse some of these 2-lane roads that wrap around the island. And then you have the 4-lane highway, which is actually not too far from where we're at and why we picked this location, so that we have the ability to get on that 4-lane highway and perhaps get some of our reporting out and transmitted, and we may be only able to do that down in Kingston. We hope that the power grid stays there, and we hope that the situation is not too serious with flooding, but it may be because of how long that water will take to come down the mountainsides. Thankfully, Kingston not going through these hurricane force winds like we are about to endure, and like the people to the south and the southwest are going to go through. Amazing to think that this Category 5 is going to come up the island, which is moving right now, and then potentially leave Jamaica as a Cat 5 still, or a strong Cat 4. And look at that. See, you got that counter twist. There it is right here, and the Caribbean Sea, a quarter mile, the counter twist, and that's exactly what is happening right now with the rain making its way in, and some of these winds are beginning to pick up. The escalation is happening quickly. This is what we expected, as we've been monitoring this and reporting since before the light came up. And if we can keep a signal up, we'll keep reporting as the light goes down. But that is the current situation right now, and I'm not sure if you can hear me.